of the terrain.
So,
Yeah, it's a,
Yeah, I see.
behind this there is
Yeah,
a river.
yeah.
This is the topmost point of this area. So now if you will go that side, it's going down.
Yeah.
Anyway, whichever side you will go, it's just going down. So this is the topmost point. And whenever any king or anyone has to rule, they choose a place such that they can keep an eye on maybe on the public or any activities which are happening in their area. So that is why they select always the topmost points.
Yeah.
Even
Because
if-
this is the military that you told us.
Yeah. So not exactly military, but yes, obviously wherever the kingdom will be there, they need some
Security.
yes security and all. So then the building we are standing in front of is basically the army headquarters building. So here we can say that the army area used to function from this place till the kingship was there, and besides this, there is a Darbar Hall.
Darbar House.
Yes. So Darbar Hall is exactly similar from outside, just like the army headquarters building. And Darbar Hall used to be like it was used by the king that time for their Darbar meetings or any meetings with the special officers like that. So for meeting purposes and sometimes even for their family functions or get-togethers like that. That was the purpose of the Darbar Hall. Then here in front you can see is the central courtyard. Basically,
So this is-
this is the central courtyard. So later on they developed the planning in such a way that
कोई नहीं यहाँ पर क्या माने रेसिडेंशियल एरिया है
लोकल लोगों के घर हैं साइड हो जाओ बाइक पे जाओगे
ये पाथर है क्या पाथर
yes, so this arch and all is stone, but rest of the building is in bricks and lime mortar. चूने में बना है.
रेनोवेशन में भी क्या वही यूज होता हो रहा है
Same material.
ये तो टफ है ये आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर क्यों है
So in heritage we have a very wonderful thing. It's like unity in diversity. So every area has a quality of like people working in specific things. Like here, this guy is from Rajasthan. So he works on the decorative parts. Then helper with him, he is from Chhattisgarh. Woodwork people, they are most